Hi, Tristan.
Hello.
Where to? I can give you a ride.
Sige, okay lang. Gusto ko lang talaga maglakad.
Alam mo, parang you look upset. Maybe we can go somewhere.
Sige, okay lang. I have to go. Ingat ka. Salamat na lang.
Eunice, okay ka lang ba? May tuturuan lang ako ng leksyon. Sino?
Rowena!
Eunice!
Miley!
Can we have a minute?
Sure. What about?
Can you stop flirting with my boyfriend?
Ha? Hindi ko alam yung pinagsasabi mo, girl.
Pwede ba huwag ka na mag-deny? May nakakita sa'yo na nilalandi mo siya.
Heps, that's a lie. Nag-hi and hello lang kaming dalawa. Hi, hello, tapos na.
Stay away from him. Dahil kapag lumapit ka pa sa kanya, kakalat to sa buong internet. And I don't think your father, the conservative congressman of Zamboanga na dating mangingisda, well, I have nothing against fishermen, okay, would take this lightly once he find out na ang kanyang anak ay isang malandi at patapong babae na nakatisod lang ng gito dahil nakatama sa loto. Akala mo na kung sinong mayaman at nagpapakasosyal. I know your family history, Miley. Kaya huwag mo ko subukan. You cheap social climber.
Those pictures are supposed to be private.
It will remain that way. Basta layuan mo ang boyfriend ko. Now, do we have an agreement? Okay, let's go!